Hello children, I am your Max Man. Welcome to today's session. So already we have learned 5 lessons, isn't it? So today we are going to learn a new lesson. How heavy is it? Okay. So in this lesson we are going to learn about the weight of the objects. In last lesson we have learned about the measurement of the objects, isn't it? So in this lesson we are going to learn the weight of the objects, heavier, lighter, like that. Okay, everyone take your Max Studio kana. Take pencil along with you. So we can move to this lesson. Take your Studio, page number 93 kana. Okay, so now we are going to see the PEP activity 6.1. Okay, look at the children playing on the seashore. Okay, so see here, see this picture. Children are playing in the seesaw. Okay, now see these two pictures kana. See here 2 children are sitting and this side is down and here only one boy is sitting. That side we call it as a lighter one. Okay, so here 2 boys are sitting and this side we call it as a heavier side. Okay, so this side it weighs more, so they came down. And see the right side, only one boy is sitting here. Okay, so this side we call it as a lighter one. Okay, and see these pictures kana. In the right side 3 boys are sitting here. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 3 boys are sitting and in the left side 2 boys are only sitting. So which side is heavier, right side or left side? Yes, very good. I said so. See here, right side it heavies more because 3 children are sitting. Okay, so this side only the seat comes down. So the right side heavies more. Okay, and the left side, this is we call it as a lighter side. Okay, now see here children, the first question. The lighter side goes up or down. See the picture. Just now I said, see the first picture. Only one boy is sitting on the seashore. So this side we call it as a lighter side. Okay. So the lighter side goes up or down. Yes, very good. Up. Okay. So the lighter side goes up and the heavier side goes down. Okay. So the lighter side will goes up. So what is the answer? Yes, very good. The lighter side goes up. Okay, you want to write in this dash as up. Okay. See the second question kana. The heavier side goes up or down. See the picture. The heavier side goes down or up. Yes, very good. The heavier side goes down. Okay. So, see the second question. The heavier side goes down. So, you want to write down. Okay. So, the lighter side goes up. Okay. If the lighter side goes up, then the heavier side will goes down. So, this is the concept kana. We can see that the side having more number of children is heavier. Okay, so see in this picture, we can see that this side having more number of children. Okay, this way call it as a heavier side. Okay, and so it goes down. So this side is heavier. That's why this side goes down. Okay. Now see here kana, next hands-on activity 6.2. Okay, in terms of 4, create your own weighing balance. So you want to, this is a like project kana. Okay, so what are the things needed? See, a clothes hanger, strong thread, a pair of scissors, 2 paper cups. Okay, so in your home you will be having a tea cups, small cups, no. So you have to take 2 paper cups. Okay, see here, one hanger, a strong thread and like this cups. Like this 2 cups you want to take now. Okay, so step 1, what you want to do? Take a clothes hanger. Step 2, take 6 pieces of this strong thread, each 30 centimeter long. So they have given the measurement. So they have given the measurement 30 centimeter long. So according to that centimeter, you want to measure it and you want to take a thread, Kanna. Okay. Step 3. Tie 3 pieces of threads at each end of the hanger. Okay. See, they have shown the picture. So each side you want to tie 3 pieces of thread. See here, you want to make a hole in the cups like this, 3 holes. In these 3 holes, you want to tie these 3 threads. Okay. Like that you want to make it, Kanna. Make holes on 3 sides of the cups. You want to make holes and now you want to tie it. Tie the strings to it. So tie this thread to this cup. Okay. Next, see, now hold up your weighing balance straight and place the following objects in both the cups. Okay, so now you want to see here, the boy is holding the weighing balance. So now you will be getting a balance like this. Okay, so now what you want to do, you want to weigh these objects, Kanna. They have given, see, a sharpener and an eraser. So 2 cups are there. In 1 cup, you want to place a sharpener. And in another cup, you want to place a eraser. Okay. So in these 2, which is heavier, which is lighter, you want to write it. Okay. So how you will find heavier, lighter? If the cups moves down, okay, that we call it as a heavier. And if the cups goes upside, we will call it as a lighter. Okay. See, once again I am repeating. In PEP activity, we have seen that the lighter side, we call it as a moves up. Okay, the lighter side will goes up and the heavier side will moves down. Yes, very good. So like that you want to place 2 objects. So you want to place a sharpener in 1 cup and an eraser in another cup. And you want to find which one is heavier and lighter. Okay, and you want to write it, Kanna. Okay, yes. See, and the second one, eraser and a crayon. For the second one, you want to place a eraser and in another cup, 1 crayon you want to place it. In these 2, which is heavier, that you want to write it. Okay, and the third one, a coin and an eraser. So if you are placing a coin and an eraser, which will be heavier? Coin will be heavier. And an eraser will be a lighter one. Okay. So like that you want to write in this tabular column. Okay, Kanna. So in the online class, I will ask everyone to show this project. Okay. You want to show the cups like this. Okay. I will ask everyone to show in the online class. So everyone must do it, Kanna. Okay. And see the next one. Did you help the team in this project? Okay, suppose if you are doing in your home, your parents will be helping to you, isn't it? So that you want to write. So did you get any help from your parents? Yes, means you can write in this dash. And how you got the help from them, that you want to write it, Kanna. Okay, if you are not getting any help from your parents, then you can write yourself, you completed this project, isn't it? That you can write. If you get any help from your mom or from your parents, you can write in this, and what help they did for you, that you want to write in this dash. Okay, and how did all of you work as a team? Okay, if you worked as a team, you want to put a tick. If you not worked as a team, you want to put a tick. Okay, so this project, how you worked, either by a team or not, that you want to put a tick mark, Kanna. Okay, this one you have to do by yourself and you can ask your parents' help. Okay, so everyone has to complete this. Now next see, Kanna, next we are going to see the activity 6.3. Okay, look at the objects on the weighing balance and fill in the blanks. Okay, so see here, they have given the picture weighing balance, and in these 2 plates they have kept the object. So in one plate they have kept the book, in the another plate they have kept the jar. Okay, so flower vase. In another plate they have kept the flower vase. Okay, so in these 2, See here Kana, this is the middle one, and in these two, which object heavier? In these two, either you want to check which side goes down. In these two sides, any other side goes down Kana? No, yes. See, both the plates standing equally. Okay, so both the plates standing equally. Now see the second picture. See, in these two plates, one plate goes up and another plate goes down. Okay, so like this you cannot see here, isn't it? So both the plates are in a same position or equal. Okay, so both the plates are in equal position. So what you want, right? The green book is, see what they are asking is equal in mass. Mass means weight Kana. Okay, so we are measuring the weight of this object. No, mass means weight. Okay, so what they are asking, the green book is equal in mass. The green book and the flower vase are equal in weight or heavier than or lighter than the flower vase. They are asking either the green book is equal in mass or heavier than flower vase or lighter than flower vase. They are asking. So we can see the picture and we can tell the green book and the flower vase are in equal mass. Both are in equal weight. Okay. Suppose if the book is heavier means what will happen in this picture? So the book plate will goes down. Heavier means I said it will goes down. Okay. Lighter means that side will goes up. Okay. Here what they are asking? They are asking either it is in equal or heavier or lighter. Okay. So here the green book is equal in mass with the flower vase. So you want to write this one. Okay. So you want to write like this Kana. Okay. So the green book is equal in mass to the flower vase. So both are in equal. So we have written equal. Now see the second picture. The pineapple is, so pineapple in another plate they have kept a ball. Okay. So in these two, which one is heavier Kana? So which side goes down? Heavier means I said that side has to goes down. So which side here went down? Yes, very good. Pineapple. Pineapple went down. Okay. So that is heavier. Okay. So which one is lighter? Very good. Super da. The ball is lighter. Okay. So here the ball is lighter and the pineapple is a heavier one. So what you want to write? The pineapple is, so this side moves down. So that means heavier. Heavier than the football. Okay. So you want to write heavier than. So the pineapple is heavier than the football. So the football moves up. So moves up means lighter weight. So the pineapple moves down. So moves down means heavier one. Okay. And now see here Kana, the pack of butter. Okay. In one plate they kept the butter. In another plate they have kept the salt. In these two, which one is heavier? Either salt or butter. Check that plate. Which side moves down? Which side moves down? That side will be a heavier one. So salt side moves up or down? Yes, very good, down. Okay, so that side it went down. So that means it is heavier. Salt is heavier. Now they are asking butter Kana. So butter side moves up or down? Super da, up. Okay, so butter side it moves up. So what will be the answer? The pack of butter is moves up means what I said? Lighter. Okay, so the pack of butter is lighter than the packer of salt. Okay, so butter is lighter weight when it is compared to this salt. Okay, so you want to write lighter than. Okay, Kana. So which side moves up? That we call it as a lighter side. Okay, and the object which moves down, that we call it as a heavier one. Can we find the mass of these objects, Kanna? Yes, we can find the mass. Mass means weight. Okay, so we can find the weight of these objects. Yes, you want to put this option. Okay. Now see here, Kanna. We know which objects are heavier and lighter, isn't it? So we can able to tell by seeing this picture which side is heavier and lighter. Okay, if the object goes down, we will call it as a heavier one. And if the object moves up means that side we call it as a lighter one. But we do not know the actual mass of the object placed on the weighing balance. So we can measure this, but actual weight we don't know. Okay, so to measure the actual mass of an object, we compare it to standard units of measurement, that we call it as a gram and kilogram. Okay, so like this object we use a measurement called gram or kilogram. Okay, so for the small objects we have learned meter and centimeter for the small objects and the larger objects, isn't it? And these are the things we can measure by using gram and kilogram. Okay, so these objects and all we can measure gram and kilogram. Okay, so repeat the word along with me, Kanna. Gram, G-R-A-M, gram. So in short form we will write as G. Okay, G-R-A-M, gram. And kilogram, K-I-L-O-G-R-A-M, kilogram. Repeat along with me. K-I-L-O-G-R-A-M, kilogram. In short form, kg, Kanna. Okay, in short form we will write as a kg. Okay. Now see one example. Two example they have given. A safety pin is about 1 gram. A safety pin is about 1 gram. So this safety pin, okay, if you are measuring by weight, that will be 1 gram. A pineapple is about kilogram. Okay, see in the last session, in last class we have learned, we have measured the length of the object. Okay, we have measured the length of the safety pin. So that we measure in centimeter, short form as cm. But here we are finding the weight of this pin. Okay, so there is a difference between finding the length. Length means this one. This one is the length. Okay, that one we used by using a measurement called centimeter. But here we are weighing this safety pin. Okay, weight of this safety pin we are going to measure. That only we are using which unit? Gram and kilogram. So this one small one. Okay, safety pin is a small one. So this weighs about 1 gram. Okay, a pineapple. So a pineapple is about 1 kilogram. So that will be weight more only, no. So if you are going to the market shop, vegetables, fruits and all, they will, what they will do? They will weight, they will find the weight 1 kilogram, 1 kg or 2 kg. Like that only you will be parents buying, no. 1 kg of apple, 1 kg of orange. Like that they used to buy, isn't it? So that only, like that pineapple is about 1 kg. Okay, so we are finding the weight of this object. Okay, finding the weight means you want to use the measurement gram and kilogram. If you are finding the length of the object, that means meter and centimeter. So there is a difference, Kanna. Okay. A safety pin is about 1 gram. So if you are finding the weight of this safety pin, so it will be 1 gram. And if you are weighting the pineapple, so that will be 1 kilogram. Okay, see this orange, an orange is about 150 gram. If you are weighting a 1 orange, if you are finding the mass, so it will be 150 gram. Okay, so for 1 kilogram, 5 oranges will be coming. Okay, so for 1 orange, 150 gram, they have measured. They have find the weight. Okay, a pumpkin is about 7 kg. So this is a pumpkin. And what is the weight of this pumpkin? 7 kg, 7 kilogram. So kg is the short word for kilogram. Okay, so kilogram, and what is the short word? Kg. Okay, so a pumpkin is about 7 kilogram. Okay, Kana? So we can see in the next session and read the words gram and kilogram. Okay, we can see in the next session. Bye.